I did it! I finally finished the plans for the tiny wood workshop. The plans are extremely detailed, something I'm really proud of. We are talking about more than 180 pages of plans. There is one set of 105 pages which covers the folding table, the folding box underneath and its mobile base. Another set of plans covers the tabletop accessories, which is the universal border clamp, the newly developed flexible arm and the tabletop dust collection hood, and finally the set for the shelf unit. My objective was to provide here much more than just drawings and figures. So I'm providing here very detailed, step-by-step and easy to follow guides through the whole construction process. Just as the modular character of the table and its accessories, these plans have been made and structured in the exact same way. There are a table of contents which give you a quick overview over all modules and show you where to find them. For all modules there are cut and element lists, drawings for each element with all the important facts and figures. Lots of exploded views from different perspectives will give you a very clear idea on how everything is assembled. There are slideshows for an even better illustration and full-scale printouts. To sum it all up, if you have a circular saw, a drill, a cordless screwdriver and optionally a router, with these plans the build of the tiny wood workshop should be really easy and nearly impossible to fail. To obtain the plans, simply go to my website. I put a link down in the description. Here on my channel I try to demonstrate and show things which might have never been seen before, and that's why I'm not coming out regularly with new videos. And that's why I recommend to those who are willing to subscribe to hit the bell icon. Speaking of which, please subscribe to my Tiny Wood Workshop channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.